Whether you're a professional gamer, a fashion blogger, a streamer comedian, or if you simply want to promote your channel and gain more subscribers, you can give to your channel a totally new, fantastic and cohesive look in seconds. Say hi to your new logo! Yes, simply choose a template from Placeit that goes with your channel's style and that your followers would love. Customize a template into your own unique logo. Whatever you talk about, whatever you do, you will surely find a logo for you. Make fantastic intro videos for your YouTube channel straight from your browser. Make your videos look professional. Add the special touch that you need to make your content stand out and got every viewer's attention from the first second of your video with appealing intros. Grow your YouTube channel with your own customized YouTube thumbnail. It is super simple. You don't need any special editing skills and the results look amazing. Just like the pros. Don't spend a fortune on your channel art, with tons of options to design your thumbnails with pre-made templates. Each video maker is carefully designed to look professional, no matter which one you pick. Promote your latest product, create a viral countdown sensation, or just share a funny moment with your followers, all without skipping a beat. Find the link to each template down here in the description box, and don't forget to like and subscribe.